fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
Sophie and I this morning, we are running errands. We just dropped Katie off at school. We decided to do things a little differently this morning, and I cooked breakfast before school, so we were rushing a little bit. We got to get into a better habit of that, but anyway, we are running a few errands this morning. We're possibly going to go to Target, definitely going to Sam's. I'm looking for a few tops. If I find any, I'll show you what I get, but right now I'm at the outlets, Tanger Outlets here in Bluffton. So we'll see what we can find for summer, and we will catch up with you in a little bit. Okay, friends, we are back from picking up Katie and all the errands that we did. I thought I'd show you a little haul. This is a little bit different than what I usually share. A couple things for my bedroom. So this is just a pillow for the bed, and then I'm going to be replacing, there's like a sign over our bed, and I'm going to be replacing it with this. This is kind of hard to show with it laying down, but it's artwork from Target. It's just kind of like watercolor florals, but it's a pack of 2, and they're already framed. So I will try that and see how that goes. And then next was Sam's. I got some grapes. Mostly what I got was meat. Got 2 packs of bacon. So my mother-in-law's gonna be here, so I needed to have a little bit of extra breakfast stuff. I got 3 things of eggs. I got some chicken thighs, and then I got 2 packs of ribeye steaks because we're gonna have my mom over one night, and then we'll also have my mother-in-law, so that was the cheapest way to do steaks. And then, and I thought these looked really good. I always think that Sam's has really good steaks for the price compared to like a regular grocery store. And then I got these tulips. I thought these were really beautiful, very spring, and I got these from Sam's. So I'll put those in the kitchen. And then also went to Loft Outlet. I got this little top, which I'm still kind of deciding on. So, but it's kind of like a linen blend. It's really comfortable. Then I got some shorts, these sort of peachy pink ones, some navy, and then Sophie talked me into these lavender ones. She really loves them, and I think they might be cute for spring, maybe with a white top or something like that. So that's what we got while we were out shopping, and so we were just kind of running around while Katie was in her class. So Katie has a really big math test coming up on Wednesday, so we're kind of having to plan our week around that. She has a professor that she really likes, but she has a habit of introducing like really hard new material the day, like the school day before the test. So like today is Monday, they learned new material today that was really hard, and they don't get any homework to practice it, and then they have a test on Wednesday, and so that really stresses Katie out. So she is going to be doing a lot of studying. We really need to take Katie's senior pictures. We need to go get her license. There's a lot of stuff going on with her right now, but we have to get through this test so that we can do it. We can get those things done. So her school year is going to be winding down really soon. I think for one of the colleges, she really only has like 3 weeks, including this week, left. And for the other one, she has maybe 4, including this week. It's probably not really even 4 weeks, because she only has 1 exam on exam week, which would be like that 4th week. So it's coming to a close very soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the stuff put up, especially the meat, since it's been sitting in the back of the car. And then Sophie and I are gonna try to do school, because we haven't done any school today. And then I also need to update y'all on a couple of other things.
then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No.
All right, here's what my room looks like with the new stuff. I really like the pillow with the blue floral, and then on these on the wall, I really like these two because I've got a little bit of a glare, so I'm not sure if you can see them. I'll go sideways and see. So one of them is just greenery, and the other one has purple flowers. They're like watercolor, and they're matted as well with a natural wood frame. And I think they're big enough to look good there over the bed. So I really do like that. And Sophie and I were not having the best school day, so we decided to abandon school and go buy the rest of the groceries since it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days, and I feel like I can get a lot of school done when there's nothing that we need to be doing and no one's distracted with pretty weather. So I'll go ahead and show you our grocery haul from Harris Teeter. Oh, we got some hash browns. We like both of these. I think we like these the best, but it's good to have a something to kind of mix it up every once in a while. And then I got 2 packs of these mixed berries, some peppers, some strawberries, some zucchini and broccoli. So some of this is for dinner tonight. And then a can of French onion soup, a can of beef broth for some rice I'm gonna make when my mother-in-law's here, some ranch dressing, some ricotta cheese, a couple of these drinks that I like, some bread, some color catchers, and then I use the sesame ginger for like a stir fry that I'm gonna make tonight, and some barbecue sauce. This one is our favorite. It's the hickory and brown sugar Sweet Baby Ray's. I don't think it's focusing, but you can trust me that that's what it's called. And these cookies, we really like these too. Tate's Bake Shop. I really like the Butter Crunch. And Sophie and Gary are a big fan of oatmeal raisin anything, so I got that for them to try. And then some creamy milk cheddar, and then some mozzarella cheese. And then this is some potatoes for baked potatoes for my mother-in-law and my mom. And then some corn as well. We're gonna grill some chicken and some corn while she's here. So another update, I wanted to show y'all this shelf which came in. If you remember one of my recent videos, I had tried to take apart the shelf that I had here, which was black with driftwood shelves, and I thought it would have been really, really pretty with like white metal with the driftwood shelves. But that was a complete and total fail. I think it was because the metal was textured, and so I ended up replacing it with this white shelf. So in real life it pops against the gray wall a little bit better than it is on camera, but I do really like it. It is more of a true ladder shelf where it kind of leans against the wall like this. The other one was better supported, but this one's very sturdy, and it does accommodate everything that I need. So we have decor at the top again, and then our homeschool stuff that we need, that we're not using right this minute, but we need soon down here, like portfolios and stuff like that. And I also have some of next year's curriculum down there for Sophie too. Now I'm going to go ahead and make supper, and what I'm doing tonight is just a stir fry that we like to have. Sophie calls it lo mein, but it's not really lo mein. It's just stir-fried meat and veggies over noodles with some sauce that we use. And tonight I'm using like a very thin ribeye steak. Sometimes I use sirloin, sometimes I use shrimp, and sometimes I use chicken. Really, you can use whatever kind of meat you want.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass.
Next, I'm going to chop up some veggies to put into the stir fry. And this varies as well. Whatever I have on hand is what I tend to use. But tonight I'm going to be doing onion, bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, some broccoli, and also some zucchini.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold no matter what I do.
Next, I'm going to saute the vegetables in a little bit of avocado oil, and then I'll put the top on the pan just so that they can steam a little bit too, especially the broccoli. Once the veggies are done, I'm going to go ahead and cook the meat, and once the noodles have completely cooked, I'll just combine everything together.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
Okay, so I just combine the noodles and the veggies and the meat, whatever meat I use. And I add the Lowry's sesame ginger marinade. Thanks for hanging out with us today, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.